This is the red crepuscular rays from an eclipse. What's happening behind that island? Things both expected and unexpected. Expected, perhaps, the pictured rays of light, called crepuscular rays, originate from the sun. Unexpected, though, the sun was being partially eclipsed by the moon at the time, late last month. Expected, perhaps, the sun's rays are quite bright as they shine through gaps in below horizon clouds. Unexpected, though, the crepuscular rays are quite red, likely the result in abundance of aerosols in Earth's atmosphere scattering away much of the blue light. Expected, with hope, a memorable scene featuring both the moon and the sun, superposed. Unfortunately, from this location, in Uruguay looking toward Argentina, clouds obscured the eclipse, which wasn't completely unexpected. However, after packing up to go home, the beauty of bright red crepuscular rays emerged, quite unexpectedly. Oh. And that island on the horizon, it's really two islands.
For daily video updates, subscribe to Only Facts.